Look at these two students. They are the same height. How can we compare them? When two things are equal, we use as plus adjective plus as. Here is the basic structure. Subject, verb, as, adjective, as, and the second person or thing. Tom is as tall as Jack. Tall as Jack. This means Tom and Jack have the same height. Tom and Jack have the same height. Here is another example. Emma is as old as Sarah. We can compare many qualities. For example, this bike is as fast as that bike. This bike is as fast as that bike. We can also compare difficulty. Problem A is as difficult as problem B. But what if two things are not equal? We use not as adjective as. Tom is not as tall as Jack. Look at Tom and Jack. Tom is not as tall as Jack. This means Tom is shorter than Jack. Notice how we use both of these patterns. Look at the runners. We can say, Alex is not as fast as Ben. This phone is not as expensive as that one. Let's look at comparisons. Remember, as tall as means equal in height. Not as tall as means shorter. Got it? Great! We can use many adjectives with this structure. Big, small, fast, slow, interesting, difficult, and expensive. Today we will learn about comparisons. Don't use the comparative form after as. Tom is Jack. The adjective must be in its base form. Don't use than with as. Use as again. Quick challenge. Which sentence is correct? That's right. B is the answer. For equal comparisons, use as adjective as. For unequal comparisons, use not as adjective as. Thank you for learning with me. Like, follow, and subscribe to Mr. Rian channel for more English lessons.